So noise at the receiver. ठीक है, जो कल हमने लिंक बजट डिजाइन किया था, सो लिंक बजट डिजाइन में क्या था कि हमने क्या कैलकुलेट किया है था कि द लॉस इन द वे ऑफ द सिग्नल ट्रेवल. ठीक है, तो सिग्नल वी विल फाइंड आउट कि सिग्नल ट्रेवल फ्रॉम द सैटेलाइट टू द अर्थ स्टेशन and what are the different losses in between. ठीक है, there we have considered the loss in the wire connected from the transponder to the antenna and at the receiving end from the receiver antenna to the receiver section, that is to the low noise amplifier. तो हम लोगों ने calculate किया था. Now we will calculate what is the minimum power required by the receiving antenna so that it can detect the original signal. Means what is the minimum signal to noise ratio required at the receiving end. Okay? Because every receiver will introduce, every section of the receiver is introducing some or other noise, and the noise introduced by the device is taken as thermal noise. Okay? Because when electron is in movement, they will collide with other electrons, and so they will produce some heat. So we will take the total noise produced by the section as a noise temperature. Okay? So because we have to calculate the signal to noise ratio. Okay? So whatever device we are using, they all have some temperature above 0 Kelvin. Okay? They will generate some noise. And the noise generated by the devices, by the component, is in the shape of Gaussian's probability density function. So the curve, the behavior of the noise is like that way. So it is and this is around 0 volt. So it will produce some minus and some plus noise. This is the power of the noise. So this type of curve is known as Gaussian's probability distribution curve. Okay. So noise का जो behavior होता है, it is like that. Okay. So yesterday we have discussed the thermal noise power density. Okay. So thermal noise power density N naught is a function of temperature, and this N naught is given by Kp. Okay, and the unit is watt per hertz. Okay, where we know the K is the Boltzmann constant, and K is given by K is equal to 1.38 into 10 to the power minus 23 joule per Kelvin. Okay. So this is the thermal noise power density. So this is the density, the thermal noise power density, and when we multiply it with the bandwidth, then it will give the noise power. So noise power, okay. So noise power that is represented by N is N naught B, where B is the bandwidth. Okay. noise bandwidth. So it is when we substitute the value of n naught from here. So it is KTB. Okay. So it is KTB watt. Okay. Because the bandwidth is multiplied. So hertz is removed. Okay. Where B is the noise bandwidth in hertz. Okay. So now this is the noise power. We can consider that every device generates this noise power. Okay. Now next is we have to consider receiver noise temperature. Okay, how much noise is generated by the receiver, and we have to estimate it so that we can calculate the signal to noise ratio that can be detected by the system, by the receiver. Okay. So next is receiver noise temperature. Okay. Receiver noise temperature. Okay. So what is receiver noise temperature? So noise, we can, here we have, what we have done, we have just associated noise with the temperature. So every electronic component, whether it is active or passive, generates noise, and that can be characterized by the temperature associated with them. Okay. And that temperature, when multiplied by the Boltzmann constant, provides their noise power density. Okay, so every component generates a noise, a temperature, and when it is multiplied by the K, then it gives the noise power density. So suppose we are considering a system. Okay, that is, we are considering a receiver section. So receiver section may, what is all receiver section may, there is one antenna. Then there is radio frequency amplifier. Okay. RF amplifier. Then there is down converter. Down converter. Then okay, down converter. Then there is RF amplifier. RF हो गया पहले. Down, after down converter it is IF amplifier, intermediate frequency amplifier. Then there is a demodulator circuit. Okay. So in receiver section, it is antenna. Okay, this antenna. Then after antenna, it is RF amplifier. Then after the RF amplifier, there is a down converter, which converts 6 gigahertz frequency into 4 gigahertz frequency. Okay. Then there is, when it is converted, then there is IF amplifier. Then after IF amplifier, there is a demodulator section. Okay, suppose we are taking these. Okay. Okay. So these are the basic section of a receiver circuit. Okay. So we will consider how much noise they can generate so that our signal can be detected at the receiving end. Okay. So we have to calculate this value. Okay. So as we know that every component add their own noise. Okay, every component adds own noise. The signal to noise ratio then deteriorated. Okay, from the RF amplifier. So when the signal is received, so actually, what is our purpose here? We have to calculate the total noise temperature of this system so that we can add that noise temperature here, and so that we can calculate what is the minimum requirement of signal to noise ratio at the receiving end so that receiver can detect the signal. Okay. So if we take this, okay, so suppose the demodulator temperature is, suppose the noise temperature of RF amplifier. Okay, suppose the noise temperature of RF amplifier is denoted by TRF. Okay. So noise TRF is the noise temperature of RF amplifier. Similarly, we will calculate for down converter. Okay. So, okay. So we will calculate Tm is the noise temperature of mixture. Okay. Next is TIF is noise temperature of IF amplifier. Okay. IF amplifier. Then TIN. Okay. TIN is the input noise temperature. Input okay, input noise temperature. Now we will consider that GRF is the gain of RF amplifier. Okay, RF so it is gain of RF amplifier. Okay, similarly we will consider GM gain of mixer. Similarly, GIF is gain of IF amplifier. Okay. So now we can replace this circuit by another circuit. Circuit is where we noise and gain everything we have to introduce. So okay. So suppose Tn we said T IN is the input noise temperature. Then it is fed to the this RF amplifier. This RF amplifier. So gain of the RF amplifier is GRF. So this section produces a gain of GRF. Okay, and a noise of TRF is introduced over here. Okay, so noise temperature TRF is introduced here. Okay, now the signal. Okay, यहाँ पे introduce हो गया. Then the gain. Okay, so the gain GRF. ठीक है, अभी हम इसको ठीक है. GRF is the gain of amplifier. Then again, okay. अभी हम इसको क्या करें कि we are considering it ideal amplifier and the this block shows the noise temperature introduced. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हमने अलग से दिखा दिया कि noise temperature at the input of GRF is introduced. That is represented by TRF and it is showing as ideal RF amplifier. ठीक है, this is ideal RF amplifier. Okay, so now there is a mixer circuit. So TM is the noise introduced by the mixer circuit. Then next is this is down converter का हमने कह दिया TM. Okay, then and this down converter is again considered as ideal amplifier with the gain of GM. Okay. So this is ideal mixer. Okay, with the gain of GM. Okay. So now next circuit is down converter हो गया. Okay, ideal mixer हो गया. Then next is ideal IF amplifier. Okay, so again यहाँ पे हमने दिखा दिया कि now TIF. Okay, these are you can ये यहाँ पे introduce हो रहा है. Suppose this is a noise source that is introduced over here. This is again a noise source that is introduced over here. And then again there is an IF amplifier. So IF amplifier will also amplify this signal. Okay, with the gain of GIF. And we are considering it ideal amplifier. Okay, with the gain of GIF. Okay, and then it is fed to the demodulator circuit PN. Okay, तो ये हम लोगों ने कंसीडर किया है कि we want to reflect all the noise temperature at the input of RF amplifier. ठीक है. Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या हो गया अगर हम लोग इसको कंसीडर करें पूरे को तो क्या हो जाएगा. अगर इस यहाँ पे अगर इसको हमें यहाँ लाना है. ठीक है, so अगर हम यहाँ पे लेते हैं PN को. ठीक है, PN तो PN क्या हो जाएगा. ये आपका टेम्परेचर है ऊपर KITB. ठीक है, so KITB. So PN if we consider PN, so PN क्या हो गया. इसका कर दिया तो क्या हो गया GIF DIF into K into B. देन इसको यहाँ गया तो क्या हो गया, इट इज GIF, TIF, GM, ठीक है। सो यहाँ पे अगर हम लोग कंसीडर करें PM, सो PM क्या हो गया, यहाँ से अगर हम लोग ले रहे हैं तो इस पॉइंट से अगर चले तो GIF, TIF, ठीक है। सो इट इज K हम ले लेते हैं, K कॉमन, सो इट इज GIF, TIF into bandwidth B, ठीक है, प्लस अब अगर हम इस पॉइंट पे बात करें तो क्या हो जाएगा, दिस मल्टीप्लाइड बाय GM, सो इट इज K GIF, ठीक है, TIF multiplied by GM and bandwidth, ठीक है। So this is multiplied by this, it is at this point. Okay, now here TM is also introduced, ठीक है। So there is one more term that it will be multiplied by TM. Okay, so GIF, so अगर हम यहाँ से चले इस पोजीशन से क्या हो जाएगा, यहाँ से चलेंगे क्या हो जाएगा, इस यहाँ पे अगर ले इसको ले तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, TIN प्लस TRF, ठीक है, TIN प्लस TRF, okay, and this is multiplied by this GRF, ठीक है। ये किसे किसे मल्टीप्लाई होगा, GRF, GM, GIF, ठीक है। सो ये मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, प्लस इसको ले रहे हैं तो ये मल्टीप्लाई हो गया, अगेन केस सेम रहेगा, इट विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय GRF, ठीक है, GM and GIF, ठीक है, and this is the TIN plus TRF, okay, so this is one term. Then we have taken TM, so TM को लेंगे, TM किससे मल्टीप्लाई होगा, TM will be multiplied by TM, GM and GIF, ठीक है। So TIL is not here, okay, this is okay, this is not here, तो ये टर्म हो गया आपका टोटल PM, जो यहाँ पे आएगा वो क्या आएगा कि this TIN plus this multiplied by this gain GRF, okay, then multiplied by this gain multiplied by this gain, gain आपको पता है कि gain is multiplied, ठीक है। So gain will be multiplied, okay, ठीक है। ओके, ये हो गया, ठीक है। सो यहाँ पे आ गया के और दिस फर्स्ट टर्म, ये फर्स्ट टर्म हो गया, यहाँ से गया दिस मल्टीप्लाइड बाय GRF, GM, GIF, then the second term is TM, so TM will be multiplied by TM, TM will be multiplied by GM and GIF, and the bandwidth is there, similarly the bandwidth is there, so this is the total power at this end, ठीक है। जो नॉइज पावर जो जनरेट होगी PN at the इनपुट ऑफ अ डिमॉड्यूलेटर सर्किट. ठीक है, यहाँ पे एक डिमॉड्यूलेटर सर्किट. पीएन क्या होगा? पीएन इज द नॉइज पावर एट द डिमॉड्यूलेटर सर्किट at the input of. So Pn is the noise power at the input of demodulator. Okay. So now इसको हम लोग again so इसमें से we can take GRF. Okay, GM गेन को सारे को हम लोग कांस्टेंट ले रहे हैं. GIF इसको हम कांस्टेंट ले लें and then K into B. This term if we are taking it as a constant. So what will happen? First में इसमें देखिए तो अगर हम इसको कांस्टेंट ले रहे हैं so we are getting TRF plus TIN. ठीक है, in this we are getting TM by GRF and here we are getting TIF by GM into RF. Okay, so these things, so we will write first term लीजिए. So first term में there is TIF. Okay, TIF, then TIF by what will happen? GM. ठीक है, यहाँ से ले लीजिए GM and GRF. ठीक है, so it is GM into GRF plus second term GIF will be cancel out. ठीक है, so it will be TM by GRF. Okay, TM में we have to multiply by GM also, है ना, क्योंकि GM लिखा है यहाँ पर. तो GM हो गया, तो ये आ गया प्लस यहाँ पे हमारा क्या हो गया, तीनों ही टर्म्स अवेलेबल है तो तीनों मल्टी कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, KB भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा. सो इट इज TRF प्लस TIN. Okay, so this is the equation. So this is the noise power at the input of the demodulator. So demodulator have to extract this noise and demodulate our carriers, demodulate our modulating signal, extract our modulating system signal from here. Okay, now if we represent this hole as a noise temperature Ts. Okay, if we represent this as a noise temperature Ts, okay, then we can write it Pn, that is noise power at the input of the modulator, is equivalent to GRF, GM, GIF, KB into Ts. Okay, so this is the noise power at the input of the demodulator. Okay. Okay, noise power at the input of demodulator is the gain of radio frequency, gain of RF amplifier, gain of mixer circuit, and gain of IF amplifier into K into B into Ts, where Ts is equal to, so where Ts is equal to क्या होगा था TRF plus Tin plus PM by GRF plus EIF by GRF plus GRF into G. So this is the total system noise temperature. Okay. So there are three terms: system noise temperature, then PN. PN is the power noise power at the input of demodulator. ठीक है, so TS हो गया, PN हो गया. Okay, so this is the noise temperature model. Okay, so we can see this first diagram. Okay, this first diagram is your typical receiver system. Okay, this is typical receiver system. Okay, then second is noise temperature model. Okay, this figure is basically noise temperature model. Okay, this is noise temperature model, and then okay, so now after calculating this, we can